Sanmonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, I wanted to speak about something that Uvuyelazi said about Umpumelelo. She actually said that Umpumelelo has been dating virgins. It's nothing new, so she doesn't know why it's such a big deal now. So, guys, and while Uvuyelazi was actually saying this, they put the camera on his face and he was like smiling while looking down. And I thought to myself, guys, I don't know what is it about these guys and wanting to specifically date virgins. I don't get it, you guys, because before now, I don't recall Umpumelelo saying that he had intentions of actually marrying a virgin girl. We also know that the one virgin that he also dated, Umpumelelo, he ended up, or let me not say they, because I mean it was consensual. They ended up doing the deed. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I don't know, you guys, but dating the virgins, does it have a good intention that you're really willing to wait to take them into marriage and then do the deed? Or what's the point? Because it seems like, guys, nowadays dating a virgin girl is the new it thing. Now it's starting to concern me, you guys, because there's even other people, Pella, who they do their stuff. And when they go and consult their people tell them that no, you need to, in order for you to get A, B, and C, in order for you to get money, you need to actually sleep with a virgin. So I'm really concerned. Why would Umpumelelo, like, why would it be a thing to be dating virgins? I don't get it, you guys. Because when it comes to virginity, it's such a sacred thing. It is such a sacred thing. If anything, we're supposed to be in a time where guys are actually afraid to date virgins because of the cost that comes with it. Should you break that lady's virginity, you need to pay. We also in Tlaulo that Umpumelelo needed to pay. Now I don't know if maybe there was others who angas, you guys, but it's concerning for me. And what's worse is that even when Uvuyelazi was saying that, he's smiling. Yo, guys, hi, our younger sisters are in trouble. I'm telling you, our younger sisters are in trouble because it seems that there was a time where being a virgin was so unattractive for certain men. They will leave you alone if they found out you're a virgin. These days, if people find out you're a virgin, it's like the more you are a target. Angazi, guys, please warn your younger sisters. Please warn your guys' daughters, because yay, guys like Abumpumelelo are preying on these virgin ladies. And the thing is, if you are a virgin and you are dating a guy who's not a virgin, it's not even about being strong-willed, you guys. You guys really need to be disciplined to not get to a point where you guys do the deed. Because the one might not want it, the one might want it, but eventually the flesh wants what it wants, and eventually you will give in. So you guys, angas. Anyway, guys, tell me, what was your thoughts when you heard Uvuyelazi say that out of her mouth? Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.